Do what I do. So welcome. This is session number 1 because I talk to you as if you're in the video because this is your video.
Okay.
But what I like to show you is what I just talked to you about, which is why this builds. It's sweat buildup mixed with sebum. Comes out of the pore, which is the same hole that your hair comes out of as well. But it is the sweat that is different on everyone. This is why everyone is suffering or experiencing different scenarios, because the sweat is not the same that comes out of every human. It's different scenarios. So what I like to do in this video is we go in very close, because this here is called the normal eye. Although we can see some flaking, it doesn't look as much as when we go in 12 times. So here we are coming in a little closer to show you what your scalp and your sweat buildup looks like up close. As I exfoliate, I want you to watch what happens when we just gently lift and remove it, as I'm doing right here. This here is called a psoriasis patch, which means that it's a common collection spot. And I'm going to remove it in real time. When this builds, let's talk about the problem this causes once it builds like this. Your pore is now suffocated, and now the anagen phase of your hair shaft cannot occur when this is on the surface. So this doesn't cause your whole head to stop growing, but it definitely will cause this area to stop growing, because I'm going to come in even closer to show you the hair that is trapped around this buildup, which is why you're getting so thin in this area. Now that I'm lifting it off and away, as you see right there, I just lifted a major piece of suffocation. This area can now grow. Alrighty, so I'm back, and I just wanted to come in with my specialized tool, which is a nail pusher. But because it's so effective in scraping without injuring the skin, just like with our nails, I use it in this manner. Alright, so here we go. Miss Denisha, okay?
Yes.
Ladies, if you'd like, you can come stand back here so you can see what I'm seeing. So I've already removed this piece here. And now I'm working on this piece right here. Ms. Denise, you okay? No pain whatsoever to the client. So nail is a cuticle pusher. But you see why, because the hairs get in the way. So the hairs make it very difficult for it to just be lifted. The hair is in the way. So once you start agitating it, it breaks up like this. I've just removed this piece here, and I removed this piece as well. And as you can see, this piece right here is around her hair. You see that? So it was already suffocating this area here, and that's why she's so thin in all these areas. Like right here, she should have a follicle coming out of here. She should have hair coming out of here. But this whole area is covered. You can even see it from the film look. That's not normal scalp coverage. So back up here.
After you do the treatment,
Detoxing.
or the detox, do you still recommend this to check your scalp and utilize this tool to do that?
This is only done when you get trained, and you.
Does your hair seem dry or brittle? Does your scalp itch? or get flaky? Is your hair unmanageable? What if there was one solution in one bottle that will restore your dry, brittle hair, remove the flakes or scalp irritation, and increase manageability, plus eliminates the need for chemical treatments, conditioners, or oils? Would you try it? Well, we would like to introduce you to My Water Hair Solution, the total solution for both your hair and skin.
Components that go into that, because if you told me water is going to change it, I wouldn't